In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a profile photo in Lovable. Whether you're freshening up your look or adding a personal touch to your profile, changing your profile picture is a simple but effective way to express yourself. So let's dive right into the steps and make this task as easy and swift as possible. First, you'll want to locate the profile icon. This is usually found on the lower left side of your screen. Picture it as your gateway to exploring and enhancing personal settings. Once you spot it, give it a nice click. This will take you to the next level, where editing magic happens. With the profile page now open, the next step is to find and click on Edit Profile. It's time to get into the heart of customizing your identity within the app. By doing this, you will unlock the options which will allow you to change various details about yourself, including your profile picture. Now, direct your attention to the option labeled Profile Photo. A click here is what it takes to enter the realm of uploading or changing your visual identity. This is a simple yet crucial step because it's all about making sure that what everyone sees is truly you. Once you've clicked on the profile photo, it's time to select the perfect picture. You might want to consider what kind of image best represents you or the vibe you're going for. Make sure it's clear and captures you just the way you want. Navigate to the image of your choice, and if you're scanning through a gallery, take your time until you find the one that speaks to you. After finding that picture-perfect image, the next click should be on Save. Saving locks in your choice, replacing the old with the new. It is somewhat like pressing the final stamp on your digital persona, ensuring that the world sees you exactly as you intended. By following these steps, you have successfully updated your profile photo in Lovable, taking a quick, easy route to a fresher presentation. Remember, this process not only updates how others see you, but can also offer a little boost of satisfaction and personal connection with your virtual self. In conclusion, customizing your profile picture is a straightforward task that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you've chosen a professional headshot or a candid favorite, your profile photo is one of the first things people notice, so make sure it's something you love. Thanks for watching, and enjoy expressing yourself with your new profile photo. Now you're all set.